So today I am going to start a topic of genetics, that is Mendelian genetics. Before jump into the topic, let's talk about Sir Gregor Johann Mendel, or Johann Gregor Mendel, whatever you can say. He's the father of genetics. Now, what is genetics? Right. So genetics is the study of structure and function of genes. Why is he is called the father of genetics? Because his work now work as the foundation of genetics. The experiment is basically now is the foundation for the study of genes. So he's called as the father of genetics. Let's talk about him a little bit. In 1822, he was born on a poor farmer family in a village of Central Europe, that is Heizendorf. So he studied on multiple topics like philosophy, physics, botany, etc. Later, he became the actually the monk of a monastery in Brno, which is now in Czech Republic. Monastery means basically in Hindi you can say mutt, like Govardhan Mutt in Odisha. Monastery means basically the religious people live in an area that is called monastery. The people of monastery in Brno, that is in now in Czech Republic, so initially support his education on for his experiment, right? So his experiment is taking place on a plant which is called the garden pea, or its scientific name is Phrygium sativum. From 1854 to 1868, he worked as a teacher and conducted his experiment on garden pea. In 1856, hybridization experiment was conducted by him, and what is it he studied in that experiment? That is the inheritance. So, what is basically the inheritance? Inheritance means how traits or characters are passed from parents to offspring. His experiment is also called the hybridization experiment. That is, we are going later talking about it. Why his experiment is called hybridization experiment. Uh, at that time, several other theories are occupy in that at that time. So no one pay attention to his theory until actually 19th century. Some other theory occupy at that time. No one pay attention to Sir Mendel's theory. Basically, no one actually understood what is he talking about, and no one can understood at that time to what Mendel actually talking about. So no one pay attention to his theory until 19th century. Before 19th century, he published his result on 1865. Unfortunately, till he was live, no, his work was unnoticeable, and lastly he was died on 1844. But in later 20th century, several other scientists put forward their actually rediscovered Mendel's theory. That's all about the introduction of Sir Gregor John Mendel.